Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title and the thumbnail of this video suggests, we're discussing yet again foreigners behaving badly here in Thailand, unfortunately. That said, this isn't the usual drunk driver who wandered into the woods kind of thing. This actually is kind of serious. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Phuket News, that's thephuketnews.com. Article is titled, "4 Arrested for US $250K Crypto Theft," quoting directly, "Police have arrested 4 foreign suspects in the armed holdup of a Ukrainian in Phuket that saw him threatened with a hammer unless he transferred US 250,000, that's 8.56 million baht, in Tether cryptocurrency." Quoting further, Police Major General Sinlert Sukum, commander of the Phuket Provincial Police, held a press conference at the Investigation Division of the Phuket Provincial Police today, November 11th, to announce the arrest. Quoting further, after obtaining court-issued arrest warrants, authorities discovered that the suspects had fled to Phang Nga province. They were subsequently apprehended and questioned, and all 4 suspects, aged between 18 and 23, are now in custody, Police Major General Sinlert said. All 4 were taken into custody on arrest warrants issued by Phuket Provincial Court yesterday, November 10th. All 4 now face a charge of, quote, robbery with weapons, jointly detaining others, or doing anything to deprive others of their physical freedom and let that other person do something for the perpetrator or another person. Quoting further, initial investigations suggested that the suspects had prior business dealings with the victim, who was reportedly lured to a hotel room under the guise of a meeting. And quoting further, once inside, he was restrained and forced to transfer US $250,000 in crypto coins to the perpetrator. Investigators disclosed that the suspects had coordinated roles in the crime, from setting up the meeting to acquiring restraint equipment. Restraint equipment? I mean, wow. Police Major General Sinlert said. Meanwhile, they specifically note that, again in the article, and I urge those who are watching this video, check this article out, but they specifically note this is 1 Armenian, 2 Ukrainians, and 1 Russian national. So between the Ukrainians and the Russians, you know, I don't mean to make too much of a joke, and I shouldn't make light of this, but they attacked this guy with a hammer. I just kept thinking of the hammer and sickle on the old flag. You know, I was like, wow, I'm pretty sure old Lenin didn't really think this one up. Using a hammer to attack some guy to get cryptocurrency, God knows what he would have thought of that. In any event, and I get it, that's not exactly funny, because that's not their government or anything anymore. But whatever, you know, look, these guys came down here and tried to rob someone with a hammer of $250,000. You know, this wasn't good. This is foreigners behaving badly. You know, we shouldn't laugh about these things, and I'm sure the victim of this thing is not laughing at all. But that being said, again, you know, and these people apparently are in their 20s, so they don't probably even remember the old hammer and sickle flag. But I just, in my head, when I was reading the article, that was the first thing I was like, you're going after him with a hammer? You know, I was like, really? In any event, so the point I'm trying to make is, look, these folks are now arraigned. It looks like they're being arraigned. They're arrested. Again, until there's a final adjudication, they are innocent until proven guilty here in Thailand. So all of this remains allegations. So that said, I would imagine if they are adjudicated to be guilty in the matter, there's going to be pretty stringent criminal penalties associated with this, and they are very likely to be deported and blacklisted. That being said, it remains to be seen exactly how this is going to play out, so we will keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.